Hey guys, going to do an unboxing of my new Makita DGA513 5-inch cordless angle grinder. Let's open it up and have a look. This package doesn't include any kind of charger or battery, it's just the tool only. Okay, it has an instruction manual. Comes with a Makita 5-inch grinding wheel. It has a wheel guard with a quick release. Handle. Wheel wrench. And here's the grinder itself. It's a brushless motor, 18 volt. It's got electric brake. It's got a thumb switch, push on, release off, or lock on. It has a battery level indicator, a speed dial, 1 to 5. There's a little chart on the side there. 1 is 3000 RPM, 5 is 8500 RPM. The air intake for the motor is screened to prevent any dust, contaminants from getting in there. Has a push button shaft lock. It has electronic torque sensing, so if you apply a heavier load while grinding, it'll add more power so it doesn't bog down. I have a battery, so I'll slide that in. Shows the battery level. I'll pop in a grinding wheel and try it out. Okay, we'll start with the guard. Slides on. Okay, let's try out the speed dial. Okay, I'll try out the grinder on this piece of metal here, but first I'm going to put on my eye and ear protection. Oh, that's impressive. It has just as much power as my corded angle grinder. This will be awesome on jobs where I'm not near any source of power. Thanks for watching.